In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from an image in Affinity Photo. We'll use the In-Painting brush, Affinity's content-aware tool that blends the text area into its surroundings so it looks like the text was never there. It's quick, reliable, and works especially well on simple backgrounds, gradients, and repeating patterns. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. If you try to paint and nothing happens, the layer is probably not a pixel layer yet. In the Layers panel, right-click your image layer and choose Rasterize. Rasterizing converts it into editable pixels, so the in-painting brush can actually affect the image. After this, the layer behaves like a standard photo layer you can paint on. Next, select the in-painting brush tool from the left toolbar. It's grouped with the healing tools, so click and hold on that group if you need to reveal it. Look to the Context toolbar at the top and set the sampling option to Current Layer and Below. This tells Affinity Photo to grab texture and color from the image itself as it fills in the painted area, producing a more natural, seamless repair. Now paint directly over the text you want to remove. Choose a brush size slightly larger than the height of the letters so the tool has enough surrounding information to work with. Adjust size on the fly with the bracket keys or the size slider. A softer edge usually blends better on smooth backgrounds, while a slightly harder edge can help near crisp borders. Work in short, deliberate strokes and release between passes so the tool recalculates cleanly each time. Aim to cover the text without pulling in strong edges or contrasting objects nearby. If you see smearing or repeated patterns, undo and try smaller strokes. Change your stroke direction, or cover the text in overlapping sections rather than in one sweep. On gradients, follow the direction of the gradient so the color transition stays smooth. On repeating patterns, line up your strokes with the pattern for a seamless match. Zoom in for precise control, and zoom out periodically to check that everything blends from a normal viewing distance. That's the workflow. Open your image, rasterize if needed, pick the in-painting brush, set it to Current Layer and Below, and paint over the text until it disappears into the background. With a steady hand and a few quick passes, you'll get clean, natural results in minutes, without any complicated setup.